It's another good day for the Australian share market with a rise of 1.2%. The financial sector is a highlight with the big four banks gaining, but also a strong performance from the materials as well as the energy sectors. In fact, all sectors across the market are higher, with the one exception of the utility space, which is being weighed down by AGL Energy. Having a look at the market, and it's an impressive performance because we saw a negative lead come through from the US stock market overnight, and still many of the Asian markets are closed for the Lunar New Year holidays. Having a look at news in the market, and we are seeing IDP Education up by a huge 19%, hitting an all-time record high on the back of its numbers. We saw revenue up by 25%, net profit after tax amortization up by 32%, and the interim dividend rising by 41%. Digital strategies emerging as another engine of growth for the company. So a great day for IDP Education and a great one for Clydesdale shareholders. The shares up by 19%. We've seen an upgrade to its net interest margin guidance, as well as an upgrade to the estimated synergies from the Virgin Money acquisition. So Clydesdale with a huge performance on the market. We're also seeing Mirvac up by 3% on the market. The company had a better than expected office and industrial income performance, and that's helping to offset the softer residential property area. It's tightened its annual guidance to 16.9 to 17.1 cents per share in terms of operating earnings per share. Previously, they were forecasting 16.8 to 17.1 cents per share. Having a look at Pushpay, PPH, and the shares are trading down 6.3%. Revenue increased up to 35.2%, but the company saying that the gross margin, which was expected to hit above 60% in the first half, has now been moved to a full-year target rather than a first-year target. So the shares coming under pressure. AGL Energy also down by 5%. We saw a solid first half result, but worries about political risk has kept investors on the sidelines, and Downer EDI down by 3%. We have seen its earnings missing expectations, but we have seen a lift to profit guidance for the full year to $352 million from $335 million previously. So a big day for the Australian share market, and it's a good one, bucking that negative trend which was set by the US overnight.